Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on the application of Google Wallet. We click on settings. In this page, here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Google Wallet. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.